Decreasing order towards SN1 reaction for the following compounds is. Now SN1 reaction proceeds by the formation of carbocation. So greater is the stability of carbocation formed, greater is the reactivity towards SN1 reaction. Now in these compounds, this carbon chlorine bond breaks, forming carbocation. This is the benzylic carbocation formed. So these are the carbocations formed due to the breaking of carbon chlorine bond. Now comparing the stability of the carbocations formed. In A, NO2 group is present. NO2 group exerts both minus I and minus M effect, because of which it takes away electron from the benzene ring and destabilizes the carbocation. Carbocations are always stabilized by electron giving groups and carbocations are always destabilized by the electron attracting groups. Now NO2 attracts electron from the benzene ring due to the minus I and minus M effect. Thus this carbocation is destabilized. B. OCH3 group is bonded. So oxygen is bonded to the carbon atom of the benzene ring. Now this OCH3 group, oxygen is bonded to the carbon of the benzene ring. Oxygen exerts both minus I effect and plus R effect because of the presence of lone pair of electrons on the oxygen atom. Now, in oxygen atom, plus R effect dominates over the minus I effect. So, when comparing the stability of the carbocation in case of A and B, the carbocation A is less stable than the carbocation B. This carbocation B, due to the plus R effect of the oxygen, is more stable than the carbocation A, because in A the NO2 group is exerting minus I and minus M, but in B, along with minus I effect, plus R effect is also there and it dominates over the minus I effect. Now in compound C, chlorine is attached to the carbon of the benzene ring and this chlorine exerts both minus I and plus R effect. But in case of chlorine, minus I dominates over the plus R effect. So in comparison to B and C, carbocation B is more stable than C and C is more stable than A. Now why C is more stable than A? Because in A both the effects are minus I and minus M, but in C minus I effect operates along with plus R effect.